Hey there! Thanks for joining us at Southwest Recovery Services, SWRS. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to upload new debtors using our secure portal. Let's get started. Visit the SWRS website at www.swrecovery.com. Just tap on the Login Portal button. It's right there in the upper right-hand corner of the home screen, waiting for you. Ready to dive in? Just use the username and password from your welcome email to log in. And don't worry, the credentials can be typed in any way you like. They're not case sensitive. If you can't remember your login details, no worries. Just fill out the New to Client Services form located on the right-hand side of the screen. Once logged in, click the Upload Debtors button to securely upload all required documents. In the file description field at the top, provide the name of the patient and/or the patient's account number for medical debt collection. Click the Choose File button to select files from your local hard drive. The files you upload must include the following essential information: patient account number, dates of service, demographics, invoice with the breakdown of charges. Additional helpful information includes the patient's mailing email address and telephone numbers. If you must split files to stay under the 20 megabytes threshold, be sure to clearly label the multiple part uploads as they pertain to the debt. Click the Send File button to successfully upload the debtor's information.